Hey Jack. Okay, welcome everybody. I'm sorry I try to do a setup, but I forgot to click on one of the section, so I couldn't get in. I said, wonder why today is so different. All right, wait for the audience come in and let's get started. Okay. Okay. All right, welcome, Paula Bear. Yeah, I forgot to click on one of the box. I say, how come it's live? It's not showing. It's different from the other day. Anyway, thanks for coming, guy. Coming, guy. Okay. I want to go a little bit. This is a very important day for the interest rate. I don't want to risk too much, so we rather be cautious and carefully the way we trade. Uh, so far today, we already make like over nearly $1,000 so far with the whole group. This is I'm gonna go back to 5 minute trade this morning. This morning I actually enter around here, and then we actually set some target here, and we got a all target. But tonight is different. Another 4 hour, the interest rate gonna announce. It's very important. So I'm just go refresh the review, and then we'll discuss what the setup look like for each of them. Okay. Uh, Now let's. I want to see here. This is the dealing map. That's see. This is earlier. I mentioned today we do really well today. So we got all the target hit. Top mark for the. I think the target one hit for the down. Now we look at the. I remember the DAX. We got a two target hit. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna cut out order first, and then we can see it more clearly. Okay, I cut out the order later. We're gonna discuss about the order later. Okay. Okay. This is today. We actually trade really well. Another $1,000 just quickly for the small player. This is the Nasdaq as well. Some of you got the trade, and then in the with the DAX, I'm actually wait for a few hours later on. And then because I was I'm trying to observe the market to see what the best price to entry. As you can see here, we did a bit of perfectly target hit there. Uh, yep, there you go. That's the DAX. So today is the day in number 95. We have successfully uh, profitable trade. We haven't lose a trade yet, so continue that way. Hopefully, yeah. Now tonight is very important night, and I want to be carefully. We don't want to be taking too much risk because the market can be so volatile. But I'm gonna trade in front of you. We can do scalping. However, I really want you guys to see my setup. I actually spent nearly a few hours today. Since the morning, I'm very uh, carefully want to see the best price for us because we don't want to take too much risk. Okay. Welcome, Raymond Madirha. Please, welcome. Okay. Now this is the price I wanna hear. I wanna go in order. I'm gonna show you my order trade. There you go. Okay, this is our reverse day today. I'm already make like nearly $1,000. I think some of you already hit the target as well. This morning is perfect pullback. Last night we actually you remember here. This is yesterday when we actually go here and we got long. See there, this is all our trade. You see my arrow now reverse back. So we got two-time trade yesterday, really good with the Dow, yeah, and the same as the Nasdaq. I think yesterday we got here. I actually draw here, down here, and then here, but we actually bought here. Now, if I see if I put the order yesterday, there you go. You see all my trade. If I put it yesterday, you can see all the trade. There you go. Yesterday we done well. Okay, I when I do yesterday like that, it it doesn't show today. So this is just a reminder. Yesterday we got a successful trade on the Dow, the Nasdaq, the DAX as well. We didn't trade much on the DAX, but that's okay. We got 3 out of 3 on yesterday. Now, if I put the record for today, the yesterday will be disappear. There, I done a bit of the DAX, like 6 7 trade small, Nasdaq there, and the Dow's there. Okay, so this is a record. Yes, this is the record yesterday only. So right here, okay, we done well. Look at that. We actually got out perfectly. You see how it's the top mark we got out, and then look at the fall. It's fall so much lower. If you look at the price rank, we set up really good. You see here, this is 4.2, and we got in like 4.21. So 200 point we saved. Uh, Jonathan, your screen not showing for yesterday. Oh, when I click on yesterday, it will show yesterday. There you go. There you go. This is yesterday. Okay. Yesterday we got really successful trade as well. There you go. But when I put on today record, the yesterday will disappear. Now today record is okay. You guys see now. Today record is actually this morning when I find the market. As you can see, yesterday we sold right top back right here. Yeah, you see here. This is where we sold yesterday, and we got an entry around here. Okay, this is where yesterday we did. All right. Now we save around crazy 600 point. I mean, sorry, sorry for exaggerating. 200 point. So we got it in today. Well, earlier I was planning to go back to entry here, but I say nah, because tonight it's going to be very volatile. I don't. We just want to ensure everyone safe. And plus, we got really good trade today already. I make almost 1,000 already, just same yesterday. But however, if I'm wait for the market opening and determine the price. However, I also spend nearly 3 hours analyzing what the price safe to be entry, just in case because it's midnight for me, almost midnight for me. And the Fed is opening at 3 in the morning. I will wake up, set an alarm 3 o'clock to calm down, and I will trade with you on Discord. We probably put on we probably try on Discord, yeah. So instead of YouTube live, right now we do YouTube live, but I'm gonna try Discord live with you. 3 o'clock, I set up the alarm, and we can actually like last time. I need you guys to provide me the link where the the Fed speak and all that. That way I can analyze the way he is. Now we haven't seen the data coming out tonight, but I'm confident. The Fed will likely to cut 25 point. Reason one is the inflation is actually keep under control. The data come out last week really good. The retail is actually poorly execute today. It's not really good retail sale. Um, three, uh, three unemployment is unchanged, is similar from last week. For employment the same. So basically, this criteria is really fit into the rate cut. However, depending on how stupid the Fed is, to be honest, I think it's American got a enormous debt. I think they should care about the country rather than caring about just particular rate and money. Involved right now is a lot of debt. Americans got so much debt. They need to cut the rate so Americans can actually grow the economy to be able to reduce those debt. Secondly, in July is really really good. 9 of July, um, the where the tariff going to be finalized, and Trump is actually calculate the data. He probably saved 2 billion per day on the tariff. So, but he will work along with a lot of professional and to make the American economy great again. And yeah, I think previous administration making the country so much debt. Okay, uh, tonight we just don't want to start a trade yet. We wait for 11:30, which is another 10 minutes. This is my setup. I analyze the risk already, guy. I'm confident this is uh, whatever the market handling worse. This is the word. I actually run a little bit of statistic and um, uh, uh, probability if the worst case is coming down. So I'm actually set up this order just in case when I go sleep, the market falling down a bit, and I'm happily wake up, got in, and wake up with a big profit. I think reverse week I make really good money. I mean reverse month. So every day I'm actually make like over $1,000. You show every day I post every day. Some day make couple thousand. Uh, Plus I only trade small. It's just to motivate you guys, see how the account small can actually develop on the profitable trade, not just the big account, because big account is easy. Big account you only you can make a swing trade and this and that, couple trade a day. With the big account I don't need to do scalping. With the small account I do. I just want to teach you a guy from the small player to grow become a successful trader. So that's what my ambition is. There is no other intentional. You show me every month. I actually want to give out the money. I'm not running the content just to make money. I run the content is to educate you guys, to help trader to become a good trader, uh, and we all can grow together. That's what all my ambition is. So now another 10 minutes, the market will be open. Uh, yep, not bad for a bit of scalper. Got a really good price down here. You know what I mean? Sometimes this is how I try, right? If I got a price down here, I normally take a profit first. The reason is I reduce the risk. I don't want to be greedy monkey from here down here. This is the target one. This is a target two. We got both target hit today. The reason I remove them is because we set up for tonight. So that's why I remove the target. But in the Discord, you check the Discord, our Discord, we actually show where the target hit exactly. So there is no misleading or whatsoever. A lot of trader they not doing live trading like me, but I show you every night I do live. I trade with you every night, so there is no hitting. I'm not running any course education to make money. I'm running a free course just to help trader become a good trader. I spent a lot of year developing a rich management skill. Now I'm about to show you guys and share with you guys. So yeah, that's how it is. There is no you will never see any course that I want to sell because I don't need to. I make money, real money, yeah. And I try real account. I don't try demo. I don't try pro firm account. I try real account, and I show the result every day, every single week, every month. So yep, whatever it is, what you see, what you get. Okay, guy. Tomorrow we gotta try. I already planned out tomorrow. We gotta try the UK again. Last week we make so much money on the UK. Uh, I think we make too much. Okay. I think we make too much. Yeah. Let me see what the UK did. We still got 6 minutes, guys. So all right. I'll probably show you guys how crazy we trade, and uh, there you go. Look at that crazy trade. All right. We'll wait for a few minutes, see how the market moves. So we got time to. So you see here, right? If I say current week, we don't trade much. But you see, I put a current month. You see how much we trade. Some day we don't trade. That's I'm very disciplined. Some day I don't trade until it hit my setup price, because the setup price is where I actually analyze everything carefully already. Uh, that's why I need you guys to carefully not to try. Try when I think it's 100%, not 100%, but 99% winning ratio. Yeah, that's when we start to try. Otherwise, don't try. See, the last 2 3 days, it just consolidate. I didn't try. You see that? It's nearly been a week since we tried, but nearly from Monday to Wednesday, we didn't even touch. It's look at how bad the chart is. It's not even move anything. There you go. I don't like trading like this. Okay, when we try, we make sure we win. So you see the record of 1 month try. There you go. All right. Some even week I don't try. There you go. Uh, so when we try, make sure we win. That's all. Okay. All right. Put it back today. Today there's no try. There you go. All right. Let's focus on the US now. Open in 5 minutes. Okay. Again, I want to mention you guys. If we set up the trade, it doesn't hit our trade, we wait. No need to rush. Tomorrow, another day, I will cancel the order. However, I want to see how the market react tonight, because the interest rate gonna make a very aggressive move. It's determine the next week market future. So I expect a lot of pullback. So let's see. Okay, guys. I want a pullback. Pullback we can buy in. Okay. I'm not going short, because the end of I saw a couple of videos today really good about Trump speaking on the American future perspective. Um, it's look very strong bullishing, but we wanna market them. I think if the Fed not cutting the rate, he won't get a chance to cut the rate, because the market in July September gonna be a very very good market. The economy gonna start pumping up uh, then the rate gonna be likely not cutting at all. So I hope the Fed smart enough to cut the rate this time. Last month a little bit of a reluctant on the rate cut, but this month I think they should, because all the data come out is very obvious. If he well educated, he should understand how it works and apply for it. But sometimes the Fed, they're just not working for the country; they just work for themselves. They don't care about the people of America. You're probably seeing this why I'm cutting the profit here. We bought a bottom here, we cut here. The reason I mentioned you guys, we always cut 50 to 70% volume. The 30 volume we go for second target. So that's the reason why I do that. Okay. Every trade I always mention take 70% off, 30% just hit the second target. That's where it is. the first target, second target. So that's what we did. Now I'm gonna do live scalping. Wait and see, okay? But tonight I really want to see the price down here a bit, okay? I forgot to set up the order. I'll leave it order right now for you guys to see. There you go. I set up order. Also remember, when we do the order, make sure it's just a small one, top one, and a little bit aggressive down here. This one is I actually double check, work very carefully on the risk already, so I have no issue or not worry about anything if the market throw at me. Yeah, this is I analyze very careful already. Okay, all right. Let's see the market open. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go, guy. I expect the bearish. See, but I'm not going to short, guy. Don't short. Play. Don't do it. Don't do anything. Let's see how they. Let's see how they react. I think the next 2 hours is going to be really tricky. I'll check the calendar first just to ensure I'm going to wake up 3 o'clock with you guys. We're going to make million tonight, huh? Okay. Another 4 hour, which is 4:30. That's 4 in the morning for me. So I'm setting up 3:50. Okay. Yeah, I don't think the market gonna be crazy pull up yet. No, because it's, the rate coming out is gonna be very interesting. Yeah, I was surprised we don't have Power's speech tonight. It would be nice. I think they don't need him. It's just him. It just fit interest rate right decision. Okay, remember, I want to give you this example before you enter any trade. Let's me assume if you do one lot, when I say 20%, it means zero point 0.1 times 2. That's 20%. Okay. Uh, so if work it out on your math, if you look at your capital, if you do 3 lot, make sure I say 20%, you work out how much the 20%, just say, 3 divided by zero point 0.2, and then you work it out. Okay. Uh, and then similar, if I say add 30%, you do 30%, because I work on the stat. That way, the risk is minimized. Okay. Sometimes you show me doing that. That's because I calculate the risk as well. Um, this is a good price. Look at that. Look, see, I mentioned it's gonna pull back. Tonight is gonna be nasty. It's gonna be a good volatile. I hope really deep down we will make a fortune in the morning. Okay. All right. We just wait patiently. Wait. No rush, guy. No rush. So we predict the move correctly. Okay, guy. We predict the move. I predict the move correctly. I expect the pullback. There you go. And that's the reason why I post you guys like a few hours ago. I said get out the Nasdaq, get out of the Dow. We got the target hit already, so we can't be greedy. You know what I mean? This is the best target you ever hit. There you go. It's top target. Same as the Dow. You see, that's the top target. You can't expect for more. I think Snow got some good goal as well. She posted really good. I love the community. Sometimes Kim and everybody post share the community. I mean, if you want to take the trade, I think you need to evaluate the risk as well. I think Snow doing really well. Her winning ratio really good as well. I don't try go until I find a good setup, perfectly set up. Then I make sure I win. Uh, that's why you see me don't try much. Okay, I try when I have confidence in my setup. Uh, I don't foolishly jump in and try all the time. Okay, I try when the setup is correctly, and that's why you get more winning ratio. You know. Let's assume if the market it doesn't hit our price now, just be patient, guy. Patient, please. Do have a patient, okay? Don't rush into any trade. This is the setup. I believe it's going to be volatile in the next 3 hours before the U.S. Rate decision. They're going to move very aggressive. Okay, guy. We look at that 3,500. If the rate uncut, they got to dip. They gotta have another sell off this rank. Okay, the market will take 2 days, at least 2 days to calm down the market. Okay, guy. So don't rush. Everything is I analyze all the risk calculation already. If you remember the when Trump tariff plan, I show 1,000. I can make 10,000 in just single day. Just single day. That's a 1,000% profit. It's not. It's not luck. It's based on the fact that I carefully wait for the bottom. So I ride it all up like 3,000, but that day is actually market actually 2 3 times go up and down like that. So in that week, 1,000 I make 20,000, which is like 2,000% profit. Okay, guys. Tonight, if not hit, I'm gonna do. Sorry, guys, just do scapping there, just two scapping. Okay. If you guys want to join me, I'll let you know when I do entry. I'll put it here. Okay. When I enter, you will see it. That's the Nasdaq. Let's see how the Dow. Oh, the Dow went backward. Just imagine we got the this bottom here, and then we got a target here. That's a lot of profit, guy. You look at a few $1,000 profit. Okay, guy. I'm talking about like just two free lot only. Yeah. just a small lot only, not big risk. Okay. That pretty slow, huh? Wait and see if it actually come down here. We do some entry, okay, guy. Okay, go if it's hit this price I mentioned yesterday as well. If it hits price, I'm gonna short again. Okay, guy. I'm not in a rush to do anything right now with this. You see here, this is just a consolidated rank. It's not worth it to try at all. Yeah, but however, you can look like 10 points separately between among this price. But you look at the short price that I mentioned here. Look at that two down here. I mentioned it's gonna hit 65, 80 to 65 last week when I mentioned it. That's why I draw this line. I leave it here for almost a week already. There you go. What you see is what everything is recording. I thought it's 65. That's when the support comes. So we wait and see. Okay, guy. Up here, I will reshort again. There's no reason not to short. There you go. So the market will just be hanging around here before the Fed. They won't go up. I think more to the downside instead of up. So we just be patient, no rush, guy. Even though they shoot up whatever it is, there is no shoot up. The good thing is about the consensus is say the rate not cutting, which is good. So keep the investor get upset and dump the market a bit, so we can get in cheaper price. But I think definitely the Fed need to cut the rate. Yeah, this should be enormous decision voting right now. I would imagine if they cut 50 point, that's a big surprise. That would be very nice. So I think this rank gotta be like consolidate is it's not selling off much because they just wait for the right decision, and then before the right decision they're gonna be more aggressive. Right now it's just the market is just up and down in the consolidate. This is the consolidate zone area here only. They haven't been moving around much. However, I'm actually doing some scalping. If you want to see it, happy to share. Okay. I'm not taking a risk, guy. I'm just doing casually. There you go. There you go. You guys want to see it? Oh my God! Did I forgot to went long? Yeah, it's gotta pull back again. It's gotta be on this zone only. It's not moving anywhere. I'm just drawing the line for you guys. I want to leave it here if I want to do some scalping, but yeah, earlier I plan to do some scalping. This is the zone that's gotta be like it's not moving. Same with this one. Today is not much. Yeah, sorry, guy. It doesn't have any movement at the moment. Yeah, look like market gonna be a very quiet guy. We have to wait for the U.S. market. We wait for another 5 10 minutes, see if any move. I think it's more likely gonna be here. I'm gonna start posting all the setup price in the Discord. So if you, I will be setting out the Discord later. Welcome, coffee. Better to be safe. Yes, 100%. Yep. Yeah, it's not like they're gonna move tonight much. There you go. See here, that's what the bright rank I expect anyway. I will wait for another 5 minutes. We'll share you the information, exactly the price rank, the setup price, and all that. I'll probably post on the trade view as well, just to let other people know that our setup price entry and all that. And then I will write down the target, what the price for target rank and all that. That way you have a clear picture, our setup before, yeah. So another 3 minutes, see how we go. But I don't think it's gonna move anywhere right now. I expect just like this before the, I think an hour or half an hour before the rate, it's gonna be a more sell off the outside here. So I'll probably wake up in 4 o'clock. All right, I'll see you guys in 4 hour. Make sure you guys want to make money. Stay up. That's what trader do. We determine, we sacrifice our moment for the, not for the profit, but f- for the thrill of the game. This is hmm. All right. I see you guys later, guy. Look like they won't be moved anymore. Oh, Ian, welcome. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thank you, guy. I look forward to with you at 4 a.m. If you're Australian, you want to set up the time. 4 o'clock, we're gonna do Discord live trading. I will be trading in front of you guys as well. But before I leave, I actually will send out the plan, what the price entry, what the price target, everything clearly before I leave. Okay. Thanks for coming, guys. Tonight the market won't move much tonight. Thank you. I appreciate your time. Thanks so much.